20/20 vision in just 7 days. They said it was impossible to jump a full prescription point in just 10 minutes. And to do it all 100% naturally? Yes, they said it was impossible. Well, guess what? The impossible is here.
Selamat datang di ruang demo Sensory Deprivation and Restored Vision. Sekarang kami akan bawa Anda pada pengalaman bagaimana penglihatan seorang yang menderita katarak.
Nah, sekarang teman-teman dipersilahkan untuk menggunakan kacamata 3 dimensi yang sudah kami fungsinya adalah untuk membuat videonya jadi lebih nyata. Sekarang silahkan dipergunakan. Yang warna merah berada di sebelah kiri. Pada video akan ada beberapa instruksi seperti menutup dan membuka mata. Saya harap teman-teman dapat mengikutinya dengan baik.
"20/20 vision in just 7 days. They said it was impossible to jump a full prescription point in just 10 minutes. And to do it all 100% naturally? Yes, they said it was impossible. Well, guess what? The impossible is here."
Close your eyes just for a moment and really experience what I'm about to say to you. I promise it'll be worth it. As your eyes close gently, I'm going to ask you to imagine something. Imagine you were blind your entire life. Imagine that the darkness you see now was all you ever saw, every single day, since the day you were born. Imagine living every day with the heartache of knowing that you're missing out on the basic pleasures of life that everyone else has, but you. Now imagine that one day you wake up and there's some kind of change. Your eyes feel different, somehow in a way you can't explain. It's something you've never experienced before.
You blink a few times, lo and behold, you actually can see something for the first time in your life. It's so strange and so new that you're not sure what's happening. You begin to realize you are seeing the wooden table you've been resting your food on your entire life. You look the other direction and say, wow, these are the apples I've been tasting since I was a child, and hey, that's what red is. Then there's water, which you just watch as it streams out of the tap. You never could have imagined how that would look, how pristine. It's all so beautiful you can hardly stand it. Tears well up in your eyes, because everything you've tried so hard to understand is now real and right in front of you for the very first time. And then a thought hits you. You realize that even though I was living all these years, I haven't really lived at all. Not until today. Today is really the day I was born. It's almost like my first birthday.
Nah, teman-teman, tadi pada saat video memperlihatkan perjalanan di dalam rumah, di situ gambarnya blur, betul? Di bagian itulah video memperlihatkan bagaimana seseorang yang menderita katarak melihat.
Seseorang yang menderita katarak, penglihatan mereka kabur, silau, dan mereka tidak nyaman dalam kondisi yang terang. Nah, jadi karena katarak itu merupakan salah satu perubahan sensori, saya akan jelaskan dari perubahan sensorinya itu sendiri. Jadi teman-teman, perubahan sensori itu ada 3. Yang pertama ada defisit sensori, ada deprivasi sensori, dan ada kelebihan beban stimulus pada penglihatan. Nah, pada defisit sensori, dari proses sebelum terjadinya katarak atau step-step menuju katarak itu sampai katarak itu berlangsung, itu disebut defisit sensori, yaitu penurunan kemampuan pada penglihatan. Nah, ketika katarak itu semakin berlanjut dan semakin parah, kemudian seseorang tersebut kehilangan penglihatannya, itu yang disebut dengan deprivasi sensori. Ketika seseorang yang mengalami katarak kemudian mengalami kehilangan penglihatan dan dia berupaya untuk melakukan pengobatan hingga ia mendapatkan kembali penglihatannya, itu yang disebut dengan restored vision. Seperti itu.
teman-teman. Jadi sebenarnya apa sih efek dari deprivasi sensori terhadap persepsi itu? Efeknya adalah terjadinya disorganisasi persepsi pada koordinasi visual, persepsi warna, pergerakan nyata, ketajaman taktil, juga pada kemampuan dalam menilai ruang dan waktu.
We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. Can I call you mine? So can I call you mine now, darling, for a whole lifetime? My heart finally trusts my mind, and I know somehow it's right. And oh, we got time, yeah. So darling, just say